boy. What up, shit? Chocolate Sundaes, what up, y'all? Yeah, glad to see everybody came out for the comedy show, you know. Ain't nobody in here with masks or nothing, nigga. So if an outbreak busts out in here, we all gonna die here. Fuck that hand sanitizer soap shit. I'm so sick of that hand sanitizer soap shit. You still gotta wash your hand with regular water. Niggas start sneezing right on the flight. Cause I'm from Chicago, so when I got here, niggas hit you. You see that, nigga? What's wrong with you? Huh? Why you sneezing in here? Babies will do it too, nigga. Pass the infant around. And you get off one of them gingerly sneezes. They told us some dumb shit to get on the flight. We gotta be 6 feet apart, Ochi. But when you in the plane, you buddied up with a new nigga. What the? Get over there. Go over there. Then they got the white and privileged. This bitch brought a whole lassie in there. This Anglo bitch brought a whole dog in. He got a seat in the seatbelt. They giving them snacks and shit. So sick of COVID. No, this pussy motherfucker right here. So I'm petty. I like to pull down the shade because I control the window. I'll beat the shit out you. This is my window, nigga. Fuck is you talking about?